Today I'm in the prestigious village of North Curry, showcasing this 3-bedroom family home. Now this property benefits from off-road parking for 2 cars, plus a single garage, and it still has some of the NHBC warranty remaining. Now without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. If you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely property, or indeed a valuation on your own home, then please do get in touch.